In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. By opening Gallery app. Now you need to decide if you wanna delete your photos from albums or photos section. Let's start with photos. Hold one of your photos you wanna delete. And when you see this dot at the top right corner of chosen section, click on it to pick all of your photos from it. Then scroll and do exactly the same to any other section you have. Now, to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, you can see the count at the top left corner, hit the delete button at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now let's go to albums. Unfortunately, the dot I showed you before, this one, is not accessible if you wanna delete your photos from albums. But I can show you a quick trick. Hold one photo and then swipe across all of the other ones you wanna get rid of. It will automatically select them. Then tap on all of your pictures you wanna keep and delete the rest the same way you did before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!